BabyBus.
Woohoo! Ah! Huh? Ah! Oh no! Huh? 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 Hey! Hey! No! The vending machine is broken! What are we gonna do? Huh? Huh? Whoa! Someone's coming! Oh no! It's Whiskers!
I need a battery for my toy. Where can I buy it? Huh? It's a vending machine. I'll have a battery. Huh?
He needs a battery. What am I going to do? I got it.
Wow! I got a battery!
Huh? I almost got caught. Huh? Oh no! Rudolph? Please don't come here! Don't come here!
There's a vending machine. I want to buy soda.
Oh no, there's no soda.
What's going on? Why does it take so long?
Oh, I have an idea. Hey. Oh, yeah! I am just too smart.
I want to buy something else.
He wants to buy another one? No matter what he buys, I'm gonna find a way.
I want to get an apple. Someone had a bite of this apple. What's going on?
Oh no. I have an idea.
It's a new apple? Oh, yeah! The vending machine automatically changes its goods. Meow Meow, come over here! Look at this magical vending machine!
Magical vending machine? Really? I want to try it.
Oh no, Mew Mew's really smart. How am I not going to get caught?
I'll have lemon juice.
Lemon juice? Which one's lemon juice? Let me try this one.
No, this is not lemon juice. Wow, it really changes things.
You see? I told you.
No, not this one. Okay, then forget about lemon juice. I'll have milk.
Milk! I got it! Please work this time.
Kiki, come out. I know it's you.
Mew Mew, I broke the vending machine.
You did? Look, it's not broken. It's just unplugged.
BabyBus vending machine.
Huh? It really is.
Let me try.